My 2012 Mini Cooper S Countryman developed a bad misfire. Actually, it came up as engine malfunction. After I ran a diagnostic on it last night, it said that the cylinder 3 was misfiring. I went to pick up 4 coils, but I wanted to check the number 3 to see if that was correct. Pretty easy process. This is real time. I'm putting it in, and then I'm going to start the car. Sure enough, that was the issue. So now it's time for me to replace all 4. And again, this is real time, with me never having to change these coils before. Pretty easy process. Can take a little bit of fiddling to get each one out, but once you do, you just take the connector off, wiggle it out without giving it too much force, and they should come. That's number 1 going in now, and I will complete all 4 and give it a test. Just a little tip when you're doing this job, there is a rubber gasket all around the top. This is to keep moisture from going down into your engine and getting around your spark plug. You want to make sure that those are seated properly. A couple times I had to pull the ignition coil back out just to make sure that it had a good seat. You'll hear it kind of like pop into place or a suction once it goes in there properly. But right now, they're, just me finishing up the 3rd one, going in for the 4th. And, after you do it for a little bit, like I said, you'll get the hang of it. As you can see, these are coming out much faster as I went along. I did use Bosch coils on here. These seem to be highly rated for the Mini Cooper R60 model. So that's it. That was real time for me replacing all 4 of the ignition coils and ready to give it a test start. Yep, that is it. I ran the diagnostic again, and it came up with no faults on the Misfire. Next, I checked the computer on the car to make sure that there were no faults coming up, no check engine lights, and everything was back to normal.